Welcome back to New Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the SOTC switches, a companion switch made for the Glacier 80 by CreateKeybs. These were sent out by CreateKeybs to try, but as always that will not affect our opinion or statements in any way. This video is brought to you by Drop. Drop is having another buy one get one free sale on their in-stock MT3 keycaps, running from April 12th to April 18th. They come in a variety of great colorways, including classics like Ski Data, White on Black or Black on White, official Marvel collaborations, and many more. If you're in need of those plastic squares, this is a great opportunity to stock up. Check the link in the description for more information. Let's get into the specs. SOTCs have a blue housing and semi-opaque white stem. An exact spring weight isn't provided, but they feel to be around the moderate 63 to 65 gram range. The housing is POM and the stem is a special material called LY created by JWK. They're PCB mounted. They are factory lubed and are also long poles. Factory lubed SOTCs are 70 cents a piece at CreateKeybs' website, so they fall into the fairly premium switch category. Let's take a listen to factory lubed and hand lubed SOTCs. These are not my favorite linears for no reason. They're very loud and high-pitched, making them a great pairing for almost any board in my opinion. It means that even if you have a board that sounds more muted, these switches can still recover its sound. There also isn't a huge difference between stock and lubed, making them a great option for those who don't want to. Only a tiny bit of plasticky noise went away, and that was about it. There is virtually no spring ping stock, and just a tiny bit of leaf noise. Although I do always recommend lubing your switches, SOTCs will do perfectly fine without it. The feel of these switches, both stock and lubed, is exceptional. They are incredibly smooth right out of the box, and I definitely think this is due to the use of the LY material for the stem. Even after being lubed, the smoothness difference isn't that big. Also, something I picked up on really quickly is how nice the springs feel. After lubing, there isn't that slight sluggishness you feel with other switches. SOTCs always feel super nice and snappy. It's such a big difference from my other JWK linears that it's almost hard to explain. It really is something that you need to experience for yourself to understand. And look at this. This is just the cherry on top. The stem wobble is incredibly well controlled, comparable to the excellent Holy Bobas. These aren't even filmed, and I wouldn't recommend wasting your time doing so. Compared to other JWKs like Alpacas, this is a very stark difference, and there really isn't anything else that could cause it but this stem. So I really hope this stem material or something similar can be adapted into other switches later down the line. I'm not exactly sure what SOTC stands for, but someone in CreateKeybs Discord said Soul of the Coast, and I really like that. Even though these switches are expensive, I think they really are worth it. They sound exceptional in most all board configurations and feel excellent with little to no modification. And even though they're made by JWK, they excel in all the traits that most JWKs are just average in. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this episode of Near Lucid. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up. If you have feedback or questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'd be more than happy to answer. Also, these videos take lots of work, and by subscribing, you're letting us know that you want us to keep making them. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys later.